guys, so today I'm going to be organizing all of my fidgets. There we go. Okay, in this little drawer. No. Okay. So first I'm going to start with my puppets. The puppets are going to go on the bottom. Okay, this recording is much better. Okay, now they're like mini puppets. Does that make sense? About two. Like a lot more than this. Like, what happened on the fidget? Okay, now I'm going to do my slugs. Like these things. I only have two of them. This one's so tiny, it's like a baby. Okay, now my squishies. So squishy. Okay. Now my mochis. Now I'm monkey noodles. Okay, now whatever is left. Sorry, I accidentally stopped it. Anyway. Infinity cute. Slinky. Wee. This snake thing. And this soccer ball pivot thing. Bye. Bye. Bye.